This is Deepal Shah, and you're listening to Restore Your Power MP3. You can listen to this MP3 out loud, or you can listen to it on silence. Listen to it as much as you need to, because this MP3 is going to help restore your power, the power that you've given away again and again. So I want to start you out with a nice, beautiful, deep breath in through your nose, into your belly, and out through your mouth. Another nice deep breath in through your nose, into your belly, out through your mouth. Notice that with every breath that you take in, it relaxes you more and more. And continue to do this for 2 more breaths. See the cells in your body, your muscles, your tendons, your spine, your shoulders. Everything's starting to relax. Now put your hand on your solar plexus. When power is depleted, it's depleted within the solar plexus. So I'm just going to go ahead and clear any congestion within your solar plexus. And as you keep your hand there, you'll notice it's getting lighter and lighter. And if you don't put your hand there, that's okay too. Just feel that solar plexus just clearing out all those old energies from childhood, from this lifetime, even adulthood. Everywhere where you were criticized, judged, made fun of. Everywhere where you lost power, where the conversation or the incident was not within your control. Let's clear that now. And I want you to imagine you being in that particular incident. You can bring up multiple incidences, but I want you to bring up one particular one that stands out to you right now. Use all 5 of your senses. What are you wearing? What do you smell? What do you see? What do you feel? And most importantly, who's there? What's the conversation happening right at this moment? Now I want you to focus on your solar plexus too. And notice how your solar plexus feels as this conversation is happening. And with this moment right now, I want you to take a nice deep breath in and pause that breath. Just hold that breath. Constrict your body and release. You can do that a couple of times. And I want you to see the power that you lost, the energy that you lost within this situation, this circumstance, this event, this place and time. I want you to see you gaining your energy back. Don't bring the other person's energy back with you, only yours. Notice how that feels. Notice how the solar plexus feels. And you can do this exercise with every person, every event, every situation in your life that you can recall where you lost energy, where you lost your power. As I continue to do some more clearings, just continue to take nice, natural, deep breaths. Just allow yourself to let go. Notice how your solar plexus is starting to brighten up, how it's getting stronger and stronger, and how your body feels stronger, maybe expanded or lighter. You're starting to feel it. You're starting to feel back in your power. Feel it, sense it, smell it, taste it. Use all of your senses. As your guide team and my guide team are here, introducing you to your new power, I want you to acknowledge it and be thankful for it. It's something that you had lost long time ago, maybe even now in certain instances, but it's back. Stand in that power. Take a step into it if you haven't already. Envision it like a big bubble just standing beside you. And just step into that. Step into that light and allow it to radiate through all your cells. I want you to take a nice deep breath in and a nice breath out. Surrounding you in a beautiful bubble of white golden light, protecting you always. Thank you for listening. This is Deepal Shah, bringing you the Quantum Body Awakening at anandaforlife.com.